Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, January 11th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I signed up with LiveGood exactly 3 weeks ago today. All right, I became a member back on December 21st, 2022, and I can't say enough good things about the experience I've had so far. However, because our cutoff date is tomorrow at 11:59 p.m., Thursday, January 12th, I figured I would wait and do a 3-week update video so that everything's updated in my back office and I can show you what I've earned so far and how things are going, okay? So today I thought I would just do a quick product review on the Super Reds, all right? I've got this right here, and I've been taking this every day since December 28th. I'm actually drinking some right now, and it tastes awesome. I mean, I just love it. All right, so as you can see right here, this is good for cardiovascular health, circulation, sexual health, brain and cognitive function. This product is organic, it's vegan, keto-friendly, gluten-free, and dairy-free. I'm going to show you the supplement facts here. All right, so we have 10 calories, 2 grams of carbs, 120 milligrams of vitamin C, and then we have the LiveGood Red Proprietary Blend, which is 6.3 grams and includes organic alfalfa grass, organic barley grass juice powder, organic beetroot, organic wheatgrass juice powder, organic hawthorn berry extract, organic aronia fruit extract, organic oatgrass juice powder, organic spinach, organic pomegranate, and organic grapeseed extract. The other ingredients are organic flavor, citric acid, organic stevia leaf extract, and this product does contain wheat. Okay? I'm going to read the description right here. Organic Super Reds, cardiovascular power. When it comes to healthy aging, nothing is more important than the health of your heart. And the best way to keep your heart healthy is a diet rich in red fruits and vegetables. Unfortunately, most of us are not getting enough, which can lead to a weaker immune system, low energy, and libido, brain fog, even high blood pressure. That's why we created LiveGood Super Reds. Our organic Super Reds contain the highest amount of fruit and vegetable extracts known to help improve blood flow by increasing our body's production of nitric oxide, boosting blood circulation, supporting brain and cognitive function, sexual health, heart health, immune function, and helping to maximize your body's overall health. Our great tasting powder can be taken with water or mixed with your favorite healthy drink or smoothie and can be used any time of day with or without food. All right, and if you look down here, now as a member of LiveGood, you're going to pay $18, and this is actually a 30-day supply here, okay? So there's 30 servings in the container you're going to get for $18. Now look at the competitor prices. Organifi Red Juice, $69.99. Super Beets, $39.95. So you can save up to 74% off the leading competitors by being a member of LiveGood. Now, if you're not a member of LiveGood, that's okay. You can buy this at retail price for $29.95. All right, and you're still saving money. However, to become a member, it's only $9.95 a month. All right, we also have a business opportunity side to this as well, where you can earn money by sharing our products and business opportunity with other people. And that is a one-time payment of $40 to become an affiliate. You get your back office like you see here. You get websites to share with people. And then it's $9.95 per month. All right. So if you were to come in as an affiliate, you'd pay $49.95, and that would cover your first month, and then $9.95 every month after that. All right. We also have an option where you can join for a year and save 20%. If you pay up front for a year, you save 20%. So this company is awesome. We're still in pre-launch. You know, we have less than, we have over 5,000 people, but less than 10,000, I would say now. And the owner, the CEO and founder is predicting that there's going to be over 1 million people in this company by the end of this year. So there's no better time to get in than now. The products are top-notch. All I do is I take a mason jar, I put the powder in this, I stir it up. I do use spring water or distilled water. I don't use tap water when I'm drinking products like this. I don't drink tap water ever, really, unless I absolutely have to. But that's all you do. You just mix it right up, and it tastes great, and it's full of all these nutritional ingredients. And like I said in my other videos, I mean, I have tons of energy. I'm super focused. I'm losing weight. And I just feel really good. All right, so if you want to shop our products, I'll put a link down in the description box. You can come check this out. If you're interested in the business opportunity, I'll put another link down there where you'll be taken over to my page that looks like this. All right, and here we have a 5-minute and 55-second video you can watch. It explains our entire company, how our power line system works, how the marketing system works, and all of that good stuff, okay? You can take the free tour by just putting your first, last name, and email and clicking reserve my position now. Also, if you have any other questions, leave them down in the comments section. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. And I can't wait to show you my 3-week update video, okay? I've never been with a company that's growing this quickly, all right? I've been doing this for 16 years, and I'm loving every second of LiveGood. So anyway, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and like I said, I really, truly appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.